What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here. Currently hanging out at the beachside with some friends and family. But in a second, I'm going to go ahead and jump onto my laptop, in which I'm going to show you how to generate $100 to $200 per day from a standing start. Regardless of your experience, I'm going to show you how you can actually get started today and start generating $100 per day with Clickbank. Guys, I'm having such a good time out here, but we're going to go ahead and start right now. What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and we got an exciting video for you here today. And you can see I dried up from the beach. Actually, this is the next day. I was at the beach yesterday. Did I get a tan? You think so? I don't know. Maybe I don't need a tan, right? So let's go and jump into this video, guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to make $100 to $200 per day on Clickbank. So here are the steps, right? So first, we're going to be picking a high converting product on Clickbank. Then we're going to build a simple two-page sales funnel. I'm going to show you how to do that very easily. And then you're going to get traffic to that squeeze page. It's that simple. And we're going to be using one paid method and we're going to be using one free method. And the goal for this traffic, regardless if it's the free or the paid, because we're going to do in conjunction with each other, our goal is to try to get 30 to 100 clicks every single day. That's the goal. So, you know, we want to show our squeeze page to 30 to 100 people every single day, and that's going to easily generate you $100 to $200 per day with your Clickbank product. And you'll actually see, you know, even more sales continue to come in as you follow up with people with your autoresponder. So as they're receiving additional emails from you regarding the product, you're going to be making additional sales. So that's basically the steps. So let's go ahead and just jump right over to the internet, and then we're going to get started with this process, right? So the first thing we're going to do is pick a high converting product. So let's go and do that now. So I just jumped over to Clickbank, and if you don't have a Clickbank account, you can just go to clickbank.com and you click on create account. It's very simple and easy. I don't have to show you guys how to fill out your name and your information. So once you have that, you get a Clickbank account, and then they're going to give you like a unique Clickbank ID. So then once you have that ID, you can go over to the affiliate marketplace, right? So if I wanted to promote a product in the make money online niche, I would go down to like e-business and e-marketing. Products would come up. What I want to do in order to find a high converting product is I want to sort by gravity. And gravity basically just means that there is a lot of affiliates already selling this product. It's selling very well, so it's a high converting product. So it's a high probability that if you start promoting this product, you can actually make some sales. So in the e-business, e-marketing category, I've sorted by gravity, and you can see that this first product, the EZ code, comes up. If I look at the gravity score here, it's 92, a little over 92. So that means that a ton of affiliates are making some money with this. You can click on here and look at the affiliate page and get some information there. Obviously, you definitely want to click on the actual website to learn about like what they're actually pitching, because you're going to use some of that information to create your two-step squeeze page, your sales funnel. And then you're going to know that you're going to be able to make about $50 a sale with this particular product, right? So now that you have your product, so this is what you would do if you knew like exactly what niche you wanted to be in. So if you wanted to be in the make money online niche, you would just go directly here, or the health and fitness, you can go straight to that category. Now, if you don't really care, you know, about the niche, here's what I suggest you do. You would go over to this website called CBengine.com. And this website basically is a conglomerate of all the different Clickbank, you know, products. And what you would basically do is just go over here to your left-hand corner and just click on CB, so Clickbank Top Gravity Products. And once you click on that, it's just going to bring up all the Clickbank products. You know, it doesn't matter what category they're in, but it's going to show you the ones that have the top gravity. So as you can see right now on clickbank.com, the top selling product is in the health and fitness niche, and it's this red tea detox product, right? And then you can go down here and you can see other products that, you know, have high gravity. You can see this AZ code is here, lean belly, breakthrough. Some of these products have been, you know, on the top selling list for a long time. This Ted woodworking product, I always see that, you know, on this list here too. So basically, if you don't have a preference of what niche you're in, and you know, you could actually just go to the CBengine and just pick one of the products off this list here. So now you have your product. You know how to find a high converting product. There's no problem. You got your Clickbank ID. You know how to find the high converting product. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to create that two-step sales funnel, right? So basically what a two-step sales funnel is, you're going to have something that looks kind of like this, a squeeze page. And basically it's just a form. It's a website that you're going to, you know, basically get your prospect's email address. You're going to say, hey, you're going to learn about this or that. I'm going to help you solve a problem. This is going to get you closer to your desired result. Go ahead and email, you know, give me your email address, and then I'm going to send you to some information that's going to help you move further along in what you're trying to do. When you're trying to solve a problem or get closer to a desired result. So then once they opt into your squeeze page, they're going to land on a thank you page. And a thank you page is basically, you know, it could be, some people call it a bridge page, but ideally on your thank you page is you want to have some sort of video, right? And the video could basically just be, you know, you introducing yourself, saying like, hey, my name is X, and, you know, I wanted to, you know, welcome you to my list. On my list, you're going to learn about XYZ. I have a special video for you that will help you reach your desired problem that I talked to you about on my squeeze page, right? I told you you're going to figure out something on my squeeze page, how to blog, how to lose weight, how to do woodworking, whatever the case may be. You're just going to talk about that and just say, hey, I found this great product, or I want to introduce you to some information that's going to help you solve that problem that you entered your email address in here for. So you give them a short video, and all this does, guys, is it builds rapport. It builds trust. You know, so now they're getting to know you. They're seeing your face. They're getting to know you. So now you've already kind of pre-sold them on whatever the product that you're going to sell them to. So eventually, after this video plays, then you link them to, you know, go down, you know, in the link, or, you know, click the link below for more detailed information, or, you know, click the link below to learn more about the product. You know, however you want to pre-frame it, you're going to tell them to click the link below to take them to that Clickbank high converting product that you have already selected, right? So then they go, and then they hit the product page, and then they'll see that sales video, and then you'll have, you know, a number of people purchase. And then of course, again, you're going to have a autoresponder that you're going to be following up with these individuals, and you're going to have more people purchase over time, right? So we got our product. We got a high converting product. Now, I didn't really show you exactly how to build a squeeze page and a thank you page. I actually did a video a couple weeks ago, and I show you how in 5 minutes you can create a sales funnel. This 2-page sales funnel that I'm showing you now, you can do this in 5 minutes with this software tool. I'm going to link a card in this video up above. So just click that card, and then you will be able to go to that video where I show you how to create this simple 2-step sales funnel in 5 minutes, guys. It's super duper easy. So you got your sales funnel set up. Now we have to get traffic, right? So I told you that we're going to be using a paid method and a free method, right? So first, what you want to do is you want to ideally figure out what is going to be your monthly budget. So if you have about $200 a month, I'm just throwing out a random number, whatever your budget is your budget. But my point is you want to actually break your budget up into weeks. So say my ad budget was $200 a month, right? So I'm going to select to do what they call solo ads for my paid method, because we're going to be doing 2 methods, right? So for my paid method, I'm going to be selecting solo ads, and I'm going to say that my budget is $200. So that means that I can spend up to $50 every week getting, you know, solo ads and paid traffic to my squeeze page, right? So then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the site called udemy.com, and you're going to be able to buy solo ads from these people. If you don't know what this is, these are basically people that are in the make money online niche. They will basically sell you clicks, and you can get them as cheap as 35 cents a click. So that means you could get 100 clicks for like $35, or you can pay closer to like $1 a click. It just kind of depends. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to just go in here and just buy a solo ad from any person that you see in here. I show you exactly how to use this site and exactly how to purchase, how you find people to purchase from in this site. You have to follow those steps. I'm going to link a card again in this video. Watch that video. It should be a video that says like how to profit with solo ads. And it shows you step by step how to actually select the people within the site, because you want to be careful. You want to select the right people in the site in order to get that traffic. So now I have my $200 budget. So every week, say I'm spending $50 getting traffic. So I know I'm going to be getting, you know, 100, maybe 200 clicks, depending on, you know, what I purchase, right? Every single week, I'm going to be getting solo traffic, and they're going into my squeeze page. They're going to be getting my follow-up messages. So I'm going to be making sales here as, you know, these people are going through my sales funnel and hitting my sales, my high converting sales product. As well as I'm going to be also doing a free method, right? Because once you pay for this solo ad traffic, there's really nothing else you can do. You pick your person, you send, you know, you pay them, and then they send your ad out, right? So then you need to be doing something else. You just don't stop, right? Because our goal is to get what? 30 to 100 clicks to that squeeze page every single day. So this is only going to give you 100 clicks, maybe say a week, or, you know, maybe a little bit more of 100 clicks a week. But then we need to be going hard on a free method so that we can continue getting clicks. We want to build up that consistent clicks, you know, every single day. We want to build it up as high as we can and get as much traffic as we can. So the free method that we're going to be using is YouTube. I guess you guys probably could have guessed it, right? So if you don't have a YouTube channel, you need to go ahead and open a YouTube channel. I don't care if you don't want to get on video. If you know, you can do a screencast, guys. You can do a screenshot video. You don't have to show your face. If you're fine with getting on video, that's fine. The point is you need to get some of this free traffic because it's abundant. There's over 1 billion people on YouTube every single month. There's like billions of minutes watched every single, you know, month on YouTube, and you need to access some of this traffic. So in another card above this video, I'm going to give you this video here, guys, and it shows you how to make money with YouTube. It's like 5 steps that I go through when I'm creating my videos. It's going to help you create a channel. It's going to help you kind of like rank your videos and find out like what keywords you want to target in order to start coming up in suggestions and coming up in on like the first page when people are searching for different keyword topics. It's going to show you that, and it's going to show you some basic SEO so that you can start getting some of that free traffic to your website. So I will link a card to that video in this video here. So basically you want to, as you create your YouTube channel, you're going to want to create content around whatever you're trying to sell, right? So we picked our Clickbank product. So if our Clickbank product is about making money with Facebook or making money with list building, email marketing, we want to create videos around that topic, right? And then you're going to push them to your squeeze page. For more information, I have a link below in the description. Click it, enter in your email address. I'm going to give you more information on XYZ, whatever your product is, whatever your niche is. You're going to be pushing traffic. So as I got my solo traffic going in every single week, I know I'm going to have a consistent clicks coming in every week with my solo deal. I'm going to have consistent traffic coming in with my YouTube traffic. You know, this is going to take more time, but this is going to build up, and it's going to start to, you know, gain a lot of momentum. And you're going to start getting a lot more traffic with YouTube, but you have to start, guys. You have to start, right? And then basically, again, you're going to be following up with them. So you're going to set up an autoresponder campaign, and you're going to have these messages that you can just send out on, you know, a daily basis, every other day, however you want to do it. But you're going to be able to follow up with your prospects, which in thus it's going to give you more, you know, sales, right? Because as they touch the sales product, they see the sales page, you know, more and more and more, they build more trust. They're starting to get some of your content as well as you build trust with them through your autoresponder sequence, and the sales will continue to mount and mount and mount and mount. So it's kind of like the snowball. You have to get it started. You got your solo traffic, you got your YouTube traffic, and you're just kind of like getting that snowball started, and then it's just going to start rolling and rolling and rolling, and then you're going to start seeing that consistent $100 a day, $200 a day, just converting that product, and then you just keep going and you keep going and you keep going. All right, so I hope you guys understand this video. I didn't want to make it too long. I'll have all the resources that I talked about today in this video in the description, so you can get access to all those videos and all the other resources that's going to help you create that $100 to $200 a day. So make sure you check the description. Guys, this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, and tick that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. And comment below, let me know what you guys think about this strategy, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.